guys, and welcome back to Dutton Vlogs. In today's video we're going to be heading to George Pin's house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And we're going to be riding my Bucci F15 with my 140 engine. Freddie's going to be riding his 0F110. Alex is going to be riding his Bucci F6. Fred's going to be bringing his XR100 as well. And Alex is going to bring his Bucci, not too sure if I've already said that. And James is coming as well. James is going to be running his CR250. So let's get today's vlog started. So we've already headed off to the Great Pimpsters. Just need to stop for some petrol though. Hi Bob.
Filming me?
Yes Bob.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Bob, what's happened?
Back. Don't film me!
It's got a puncture, James' bike. So James won't be able to ride that, so he's going to have to ride his fast KLX 110. So yes. I didn't say so yeah, I said so yeah this time. No, wait, what?
So what?
You're the funniest, Bob. It's beautiful. You're one of a kind. Smile more. So yeah, James is going to be riding his KLX 110. So yeah. Glenn! Over here!
Zo gelukt en had ik het podium gehaald waar ik altijd voor gewerkt heb.
Petrol's been filled up. Let's go. James in the pool. Go on, James. Go on! Anyway. We're dressed now, we're all dressed. George is obviously vlogging. Alex got his Bucci out. We've all got our bikes out. Dressed. So we're gonna head straight onto the GoPro and let's get riding. I'm gonna be riding the 100 first because I don't really want to get my Bucci so muddy. So yeah. Try to wheelie a quad bike, so if you don't have to wheelie a quad bike, just watch this and by the time we're done you should be a pro quad bike wheelie rider. Quad bike wheelie rider, don't know what. Wait. if I can have a bicycle. It was perfect condition.
Still is. Just a bit of a buckled wheel.
All the spokes are snapped on a bike.
This one's good.
Welcome to MTV Cribs. I've done you riding with that helmet.
It's so dirty and that won't fit me anyway. Look at that.
LDV. You said let's try to get this van working. It hasn't got an engine. So basically, we're just going to go on a ride now. We're going to ride around the track, yes again, and maybe try to find somewhere else to ride. So yeah, let's keep riding. So we've just stopped off at this sort of area now. There's like a little bit of a ditch and like sort of a jump. So going to hit that a couple of times. Alex just nearly killed me. Not sure if I've got it on the GoPro. That could have ended very, very badly. But yeah, we're going to head into the woods and see what it's like. Spokes on his 110 have completely all snapped. Yeah, that's the second bike in the last 3 videos that all the spokes have snapped on a bike, so that's not too good. We're going to head back to the top and we're going to get my Bucci out and ride that instead of the 110. Fred's 110 is absolutely ruined. I decided I'm going to get out the Bucci F15 with the 140 engine to rip around. My GoPro's only got 9 minutes left and 15% battery, and if you have a GoPro you know they don't last long, so hopefully it does last. To be honest, it's actually getting quite dark down here now, so can't hardly see anything. So we're actually quite lucky we didn't actually bring any tinted lens down, so that's pretty good. So we've just come in now. It's very, very, very dark. You can't really tell it's that dark, but all the lights are on, so that shows how pretty dark it is. So just washing the bikes down now. Alex is gonna wash. He's gonna wash his bike first. So yeah. Alex, what are you using?
Best cleaner product.
Duck Smart. Oh, George is driving. This should fit 5 bikes in here and everything else. I do not know how we've done it, but George, I can't actually see you, right? You can sort of see now we've put the different setting on. But George, goodbye. Goodbye, young man.
Goodbye, young man.
Right. So, we've got back now. James has gone home, but our house is actually completely locked. Our mum and dad's gone out, and our nan's house is completely locked as well. So, we're pretty screwed. So, we're back home now. Our parents did come home. We were just waiting at the van for ages. So, let's open the garage doors and load all the bikes in. So I'm all changed now, all damn dressed. All the bikes have been put back into the garage. So we're gonna head upstairs, probably do something. I'm not sure if we're gonna film, but hopefully I do. Fred, your back wheel.
Yeah, what about it? To me.
I thought that was bad when I did that, but.
Nah, brand new, mate.
So we've just had dinner. Very nice, very nice. Let's see what Alex and Fred's up to. Filming Alex's room. His PC stuff was in that corner, and now he's changed it around, so it's out the window. So I think it looks a lot better in this bit here.
I need maps.
He's learning to play Fortnite on the PC. I think I'm gonna just import loads of footage from today's video onto my laptop. Maybe look for him, start editing it, and have a look through the GoPro footage. So that's what I'm going to be. That's all I'm going to be doing at the moment. So I'll probably update you in a bit. So guys, you can't actually see him at the moment because I've accidentally got it on the wrong camera mode. Sorry about that. I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. Comment down below if you do want me to head back to George Pins, do some more riding there. But I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, guys. Remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah.